Hi guys, and welcome to my channel please. So this is the second part of the haul. So yeah, it's fashion and lifestyle haul. So yeah, if you have not yet watched my first part of the haul, I'm gonna link it over here, or I will be putting up the link in the description. Don't forget to watch it. So let's just begin with today's haul. So recently I have done a lot of fashion shopping. So yeah, I want to share to all you guys what I have got it. So first one is this t-shirt, and it's from Priyanka.com. I really love this one. This is the marshmallow one, and I am loving this t-shirt, guys. It's really amazing. The material is not, I will say, summer friendly, but it's a boyfriend t-shirt, so it will be loose on the side, like, so it's gonna be okay for the summer. But otherwise the material is a little bit thicker, so it's not comfortable for the summer, I will just say. So the next product is an I will say gym wear, gym wear or track pant or tights, whatever you want to say. So basically I have recently got these tights or the track pants from HRX. I have ordered it from Myntra. I really love this color, guys. It's a muted pink kind of a color, and it's really amazing. I have once wear it to my yoga class, and it's really soft and really comfortable. And I will say yoga has got a lot of poses where you have to hold your leg like the Vrikshasana, so it's really hard to keep your leg on a slippery tights, but this has really hold that position, only because I will say it has got a grip kind of a material over here, which can really like help you to have a grip on the knee portion. So I really love this material, guys, and I really love the color of it. And one more thing is about this is that it's really cheap. It's not that higher on the budget, and I've got this for 740. Yeah, 740. So it's really now I'm gonna share some of the items that I've got it from Zudio, which is a Tata Click production, I guess, because when I got their bag it was written Tata Click on this side. I'm not sure about it, guys. Maybe you can get their dresses on Tata Click, I guess, but otherwise I have got some of the dresses and shoes from Zudio. The first one is this like button up top. So basically, one thing I really love about this top is that it has got a knotted thing over here, so basically you can knot it out, and I really love this style of it. You can see it has got some. So the next product that I have got a mid-length of dress, I will say. So recently I really wanted to purchase a dress on the black end, but when I went to Zudio I fell in love with these dresses. It's a button-up dress, and it has got belt in the west area, and it's a mid-length dress, and the color is really amazing for the morning time, day out time. It's amazing, guys. I really love the style of it. So the next product that I have got from Zudio is a heel sandal. So when I told my sister that I've got some heel, she was really amazed to hear that, because I don't wear heels a lot, not even block heels. So recently I have purchased a block heel. I don't remember the brand of it. It was just a random brand, so I purchased a block heel from there, and it was really amazing. It was really comfortable, so I thought, why not, let's purchase a block heel shoe. It will really help keep my foot comfy. I really love shoes which are really comfortable. I don't wear any shoes which are not comfortable at all. So I got this very small, I will say, block heel from Zudio, and I really love this color. Blue, muted pink, black, gray are one of my favorite colors, so I really love this color. So it has got a square pointed for the toe, and it has got a mesh design of it, and I really love the size of the heel, and it's block style. Yes. So the last product that I've got from Studio is a flats. So I have got these flats from Zudio, and again it's really bargain. It was only for 399, so 400 rupees of the pair, and I really love the design of it, guys. It has got some patches in it on the jeans material. So basically this material is a jeans material, and it has got lovely patches in it. So it's really amazing and cool, and you can wear it for every day. I'm I'm a flat girl and I love it. So now I'm gonna show you the products that I've got from Westside. So again, I have recently shopped on Westside. So first one is this handbag. I love this color. I'm not a huge fan of red. Basically, I'm not a fan of red, but I really love this red one. It is, the camera is not focusing the color, guys. It's not this color, whatever you're saying. So basically it's a maroon mixed red color, and I really love the size of it. So basically you can take it as a tote bag, wait a minute, and you can carry it like this also, like a dove bag. And I love the way it fits, and because it has got so much of space inside of it, and you can carry it in both the styles. And it was 50% off on the actual price. So I got it on around 1600 and its price 3350. Amazing. So yeah, and it's from the brand Giordano. I'm not sure about the brand. I have never heard of that brand, but I got it from Westside. So the next top is one of my favorite, and it was picked up by my mother, and I really love this style of it, guys. I really love this style. It has got all the flower patches in it on the shoulder length, and it's really amazing. And again, it's one of my favorites. It's the muted pink color, and I really love this color. And I really love it has got colorful flower patches in it, which looks amazing. So you can wear a black jeans or blue jeans, wear some sneakers or heels, wear these. It's really chic and really classic. I really love that. So next, I purchased some 2 t-shirts. I was lagging behind all the white t-shirts. You need some white on your wardrobe, definitely, guys. Believe me, you need white on your wardrobe. So I really wanted to purchase a Levi's t-shirt where the Levi's has been written in the chest area. So I got this from Levi's. So I really wanted to purchase the simple one, but when I got introduced to this version of the Levi's t-shirt, so all the cartoons has been drawn over here, and it's really amazing. It's really cute, and it's amazing. It's amazing, no words to say, but it's really amazing. And again, it was really, it's not that much affordable, but what I have thought it could be the price, it was not that high. So I really love this one with the cartoon design in it. So the next one is a crop top. It's a white crop top, and it has written over here, made for lovers. And I have purchased oversized one because I wanted to tucked in my jeans and wear it to the sneakers. So yeah, these are the 2 white t-shirts that I have got. Now I'm gonna show to all you guys some of the purchases that I have done from Myntra. Basically, I want there is a marriage ceremony next month in my family, so I really wanted to purchase some of the dresses that I can wear at the marriage ceremony. So the first one is a multicolor lehenga. I'm gonna put the picture over here so that you can get the gist of it, how it look. It's amazing. I really love it. I really got impressed by looking at the picture only, but it fits me really nice and it looks sexy on the deep cut side. Yes. So the next one is a black sari. So again, I'm gonna put up the picture over here because it will be more prominent to show to all you guys in the pictures. So when I was scrolling down the app, Myntra app, I saw this sari and I instantly fell in love with it. I love black a lot, and silver print in it, it has taken my heart. I really wanted to purchase that. So yeah, I have got the black sari. It's a black Kanjivaram sari with the silver print in it and pink piping in it. It's really amazing. I love the material of it because it's a Kanjivaram, guys. And again, I purchased it from the Myntra sale when it was going on, the end of season sales. It is really amazing. So the last but not the least that I've got for this fashion related haul are these shoes. So these are the Ether shoes. So basically it's the elasticated shoes one. I have seen it on the sneakers, like the sneaker company, but they are so much pricey, guys. It cost me around, it will cost you around 6,000, like 5,000 to 6,000, but I got these from Myntra, from the in-house brand Ether, and it just cost me for 1,400 bucks. It's really amazing. It's so comfortable to wear and it's a squeezy, so it's not hard on your foot, and I love the color of it. And again, it's a daily wear sneaker. I love it. So guys, these are all the fashion items that I've recently purchased from Myntra. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. If you have liked this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video by clicking that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna come with the third version of this haul, the beauty and skincare haul. I hope many of you will be eagerly waiting for that one, because what I love is makeup and skincare. These are the two things I really love the most. So yeah, the next video gonna be the haul. Don't forget to watch out, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the bell button so that you can get notified whenever I come with a new video. So I hope that I will see you soon all. Till then, you all stay beautiful, guys. Bye.